also entirely unrelated to class, I just have this sitting on my table. I just received this new thing here. It is a astronomy filter, and this box is just a piece of artwork, by the way. This won't be on any exam, but I just want to kind of describe real quickly what this is, because it does relate back to actually our discussion of atomic spectra. So I have to be very careful of this. So I think, yeah, I can just barely see through this. And now what you're seeing is it's wow, that's actually kind of mind trippy. But it's almost mirror-like. But what this actually is, though, I'm going to put this back. This is a very expensive filter. But okay, good, I can rest it. So what that is, and the reason why I bring it up is that this filter allows for some of those spectral lines that we had talked about when we were talking about the Balmer series and the Lyman series. Specifically, I've mentioned there is what we call the H-alpha line that occurs at 656 nanometers. And that's a direct indicator of hydrogen gas in the universe. And then there's another emission line from oxygen atoms which have been ionized. Both of these occur in highly energetic, highly turbulent like parts of the universe, and both of them give off a very precise wavelength that really no other element gives off. And so this filter is what we call a dual band filter, and the only two wavelengths it allows are that H-alpha and O3 emission lines there. And so this will be the first time I've actually done narrowband imaging once the clouds finally clear and we can do that. So hopefully by the end of the semester I can post some cool new imagery using specifically these emission lines. And the really neat thing about that is that because you're focusing on an extremely narrow width of wavelengths that are coming from the sky, you're essentially blocking out 99% of all of the light pollution wavelengths out there, which means I can do just as good of imaging from here in the urban sky globe Minneapolis as I can from what we call a Bortle 1 or Bortle 2 like dark skies area. So I have just upped my game with this. So I will post some updates on it later in the semester.